Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing the weekly contest. I actually forgot about the weekly contest, like or weekly premium question. Someone on my Discord pinged me, so I'm doing it now. Probably missed it yesterday too, because yesterday was the first. Sorry, friends. Let me know in the comments next time or whatever, because the weekly one I always forget. I don't know. New month, I think. Anyway, today's problem is, or this week's problem is 734 sentence similarity. We can represent a sentence of array of words. I am happy with Leetcode. Okay. Given two sentences, each represented as a string array. Given that, okay. Indicates that the words x sub I, y sub I are similar. If x is similar, or false if they're not similar. Okay. So basically, skill is same as tolerance, and you can look at it that way. Okay, fine. Yeah, I mean, this seems like unless I'm misunderstanding it, this seems like a pretty okay problem. I'm just trying to think whether there's like some weird edge case type thing, but I think it should be okay. I do wonder if there's like some weird transitive property, meaning that if A and B are similar and C and D are similar, then this is what they say. Okay, so they're not. Okay, just want to make sure because I think that's something that might come up. Yeah, so basically, do we assume that they have the same length? Okay, so they don't, as that's one of the things. Okay, so n is, let's just say n is equal to length of sentence 1, whoops, 1, m is equal to sentence 2, and then if n is not equal to m, then we just return false. Otherwise, we do word 1, word 2 in zip of sentence 1, sentence 2, right? Because they're the same length. So then if word 1 is equal to word 2, we continue. Otherwise, that means that they're different. Then we have to do something like lookup of word 1 is equal to word 2. Then we continue. Otherwise, we just return false. And then we return true at the end. We have to do the lookup thing. So we have to process it into lookup. So then for x, y, just lazy things. M of x is equal to y, lookup of y is equal to x. Actually, I might have to double check this one though, because similar pairs, the pairs may be distinct, but it may be that like there may be A and B and then B and C, so then now they're multiple, right? So then actually maybe what we can do is instead of this, this will be a set, right? And then now you add y instead, add x, so then they're similar to each other. And then now instead of this, then we do see if word 2 is similar to in word 1, something like that. Let's give it a spin. Looks good. Let's give it a submit. Okay, cool. 1038 streak. I think that's similar. Yeah. I have no idea. So many downvotes. Maybe that's the reason. But what is the complexity, right? Well, this is going to be linear because this is constant or linear. Each character in say word 2 is only going to be used compared twice, right? Once here and then another time used as to create the lookup hash, so it should be okay. And this word 1 as well is going to use only once to do the lookup hash, so that means that all this is going to be linear. In a similar way, each one of this is going to be each word in a similar pair will only be lookup will be used to create a hash twice, once here, one second time here, and so forth. So yeah, so this is linear as well in the size of the pairs. So, but in this case, the linear is going to be O of n plus m plus p or something like this, where n is the length of sentence 1, sentence 2, and p is similar pairs, right? So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks people for reminding me. I actually, like I said, I think I probably needed to do this yesterday, but just didn't realize because, these things are hard. That's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.